Hi everyone, it's Jenny from Wood Library. I'm here with my daughter Avery and my kitty Lucy. And we're here just to introduce you to our videos that we have on the Wood Library YouTube channel called Avery Bakes. And Avery is going to be baking for you each week a fun and easy recipe that she would like to share with you from a book. And hopefully you can be cooking alongside her and view those recipes whenever you get a chance. Avery, do you have anything to share?
Make sure you like and subscribe and comment down below. Bye. Guys, welcome back to Avery Bakes, and today is a super easy one. It's a Oreo cake, and you'll need needing 2 ingredients. It's crazy, right? So, you need Oreos and milk. So you're gonna take, however big you want your Oreo to be. I'm just making that much of one, so if you're making a big cake, you're probably gonna need like 2 cones of them. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take 3 or 4. Last time I took 4, but I'm gonna start with 3. And I'm gonna plop them in the bowl. And then you're gonna add about, like, you're gonna take 1 teaspoon and you're just gonna, I'm gonna say like 2 or 3. But I'm gonna start off with 1. I'm gonna go 1 more. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a fork, and you're just gonna go ahead and mash it up. When you're pouring the milk, you should get them a little soggy, so then they're kind of easier for you to mash up. But you're just gonna go ahead and mash it up, and it should start to look a little like this. And once you've mashed that up, you're gonna go ahead and plop it into the microwave. But you just wanna make sure there's no, well, you can make, it doesn't have to be all mixed. It just has to be like mushed down with the fork like this. So after you've done that, after you've put your milk and Oreo and you smashed it up, then you're gonna open the microwave and you're gonna put it in there for 30 seconds. And remember, if it's a glass bowl, then it's gonna be hot after you take it out. So you're gonna go and press 30 and start. So after you've cooked it, and it might look like cake, like that, I'm going to take it out very carefully. And it kind of looks like moon cake or something, or like mud cake or something, but it looks actually really cool. So the only thing that you should be worried about is the hotness, and there might be a little bit of on the bottom. So if you're like that kind of person that if you want like it cooked all the way, the bottom is like really fudgy, so if you want a fudgy melt thing, then you're gonna have to leave it. But if you want like all the cake, then you're gonna put it in for another 20 seconds. Then you can go ahead and eat and enjoy.